In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Microsoft support. We'll walk through the exact path on the Microsoft support website so you can reach a real support agent quickly and explain your issue clearly. All you need is a web browser, and you may be prompted to sign into your Microsoft account along the way. First, open your browser and head to the Microsoft support website. Once the page loads, scroll down the home page until you find the Contact Us section. This area is designed to route you to the right help experience. Click Contact Us to open Microsoft's guided support flow. On the next page, look for the option that's highlighted for consumers, then select Get Home Support. This directs you to the help experience tailored for personal Microsoft products like Windows, Microsoft 365, and Office apps. You'll see a text box asking what you need help with. Type a brief, specific description of your issue, something like, "I need help activating Office," or "Word won't open." Short, clear phrases work best and help the system suggest the right path. When you're ready, click Get Help. If automated suggestions appear but you still want a person, choose Contact Support. Next, you'll be asked to select your product or service. Open the list and pick the one that matches your issue. For example, if your question is about Word, Excel, Outlook, or subscription billing, choose Microsoft 365 and Office. Then, select your support category. Pick the option that best fits your situation. For example, activate my product if you're dealing with activation or licensing. Review your selections and click Confirm to proceed. You'll now see the available contact methods. Choose chat with a support agent in your web browser. This starts a live chat session without needing a phone call. When prompted, click Confirm to finalize your request and open the chat window. A few quick tips before you start chatting. Keep the browser tab open so you don't lose the conversation, and have relevant details ready like your device type, approximate purchase date, and any error messages you've seen. Never share passwords or full payment details in chat. If you have a subscription, being signed in often helps the agent locate your account and speeds things up. That's it. You're connected to Microsoft support through the official site, with your issue clearly stated and the right product and category selected. If the agent resolves your issue, consider saving the chat transcript for your records. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the support you need faster and with less hassle.